guys, this is James from JMP Woodcrafting, and welcome to the woodcrafting journey. Today I'm giving my shop update for April the 5th of 2019, and not a lot going on in the shop this week. The last 2 weeks I've been really busy with work. I work in a prison, and there's been a lot of stuff going on there, so I've been really busy working on stuff there. I've had a lot of late nights, yeah, so I didn't get a lot of shop time. I did get to work on the project. I told y'all I had a secret project I was working on with a collaboration with James Wright from Wood By Wright, and I've got that video project finishing up. Just a little teaser. Here we go. I did my first hand carving and some epoxy work. This is a part of the piece, and right here I did hand carving of hope into this and inlaid it with some epoxy. Didn't turn out as well as I wanted it to, but fairly well, I think, for my very first time. And I got an upcoming video coming up next week on that build and what it's doing. So that's been a lot of fun project to work on. Not a whole lot else going on in the shop. Like I said, there's been a whole lot of work and family issues going on, so I haven't had a whole lot of shop time. And it's about to start pouring rain. I finally got a day to work, and it's going to be raining most of the day, so I'm not going to get a lot done today. But we got some upcoming projects going on. We kind of worked on getting some stuff. I went to Rockler store while I was in Dallas a couple weeks ago. I told you I was going to probably stop by there. Got some cool stuff. You'll see some of my videos. I'm wearing a Rockler apron now. I really like the apron. It helps me to keep from losing small stuff like my pencils, my measuring equipment, layout stuff. Able to keep all that stuff in my pockets now, and it's been really helpful with my workflow and a little bit of the time I've had. And I got me some West Systems epoxy, which I've been looking for it. I was going to order it online, but I was able to pick it up over there. And some wood block clamps. They had them on sale, so I was able to get some clamps. And, you know, woodworker can never have too many clamps, and usually we don't have nearly enough. So, yeah, that's about it. Not a whole lot going on in the shop in the last few weeks. I got started on the hand plane restorations. I'm going to do one. I have one that's an old Craftsman. It's a number 4 Bailey style, but it's a Craftsman, and I'm turning it into a scrub plane. So I started doing some video on it and the restoration on it. And I've got the 2 smoothing planes. One's a Stanley Handyman and one's a Stanley Bailey number 4. And they're both going to be smoothing planes, and I'm starting the restorations on those 2 as well. So I got some videos coming up on how I'm doing those restorations. The project videos take a lot longer to get out, so I'm working on editing and getting all those videos edited so I can get them up. I've got about 4 or 5 projects already recorded, but it's just I'm learning how to edit those. Most of my project videos sifting through hours of footage, and I'm getting them down to about 20 or 30 minutes. But I'm trying to get them down even shorter than that and still have a lot of the meat left in it, as far as so you can really see what all I did. So a lot of learning and a lot of growing as I'm learning how to record and edit these videos for YouTube, as well as learning more about the woodworking. So I'm having a lot of fun. I hope you are too. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what's going on in your shop, and y'all have a great day.